Hello everyone. Once again welcome to my channel. My name is Shiva Krishnan and I upload videos related to data analytics and AI on this particular channel. Okay. Now in today's video we are going to do something magical and I'm pretty sure that you will definitely enjoy what you're going to witness today. Okay, we are going to generate a very complex formula with the help of a macro, and this is a very dynamic formula as well. All right, so it's known as Index and Xmatch. Okay, it's a nested formula. All right, so which is one formula within another formula. All right, so generally when you're able to write such a formula, you can say that you have advanced Excel skills. All right, and that does demonstrate that you do have a good command over Excel. Now, I mean, having said that, it does not mean that there is no scope for improvement. I don't mean to say that. Obviously, there's a lot to learn in Excel. Excel is a vast tool, right? Excel is a huge tool, and there's a lot to learn in Excel. And I am in the process of learning that, of course. All right. So let's get started with today's video. Okay. Now, I have this entire data set and I have the formula as well. Okay, I'm going to delete this formula. All right, and so from this given data set for this particular region, which is Mumbai, and the year 2022, you have to find out the sales. All right, so we will do that with the help of formula known as index and match, and we are going to ask macro to write that formula for us. Okay. So I'll write index match August 27 English. This will write index and X match formula. Okay. Now click on OK. Alright, you can see that the macro is in progress, and yeah, so the recording is in progress. Alright. So let's start with the formula is equals to index. All right. So while I, you know, explain this, let me also share like why do we use this formula called index and match. So, when you have a huge data set, right? I mean, here obviously you only have 7 or 8 rows, but imagine that if you have thousands of rows, and let's say if you have 10 or 20 odd columns, and you know, when you want to find out the value for a particular uh, for a particular value, if you want to know that for this particular thing I need to find out the value, and by dynamically changing, let's say that you have thousands of rows and you have 10 or 20, 15 columns, 1 5 15 columns. Okay, and you want to find out the sales for Mumbai for a particular year, and when you write a formula, the data should change in such a way that if you change the region from Mumbai to Delhi, and the year when you change from 2021 to 2020 or 2023, the result should automatically change, so that you don't have to manually keep searching every time. So that's the power of this formula. We'll see how we go about that. Okay, so is equals to index, and then we'll select the entire array. The array is nothing but where you want the data to be searched. Okay, and then we write X match. Okay, and what's the lookup value? This is lookup value Mumbai, because we need the sales for Mumbai, right? So Mumbai is our first lookup value, and then where do you want Mumbai to be searched for in this list? All right, okay, and then I click on exact match. All right, this is done. Now I'll write another X match formula. This time it will be for this particular year, which is 2022, because we want sales for Mumbai for the year 2022, right? So we'll select the year 2022, comma, what's the lookup array in this in this list of these years, right? Comma, exact match, close a bracket, once again close a bracket because the X match formula is done, right? And then we click enter. There you go. We got the result. Now click on stop recording. Okay, right. Mm, well, I'm just wondering if I think I may have missed out something, so I may have to record a macro once again. I don't think that should be a problem. I think I'll do this real quickly because I want to see that, later on if I add something here and then I add something here, then the result should change here as well, right? So let me do one thing. Let me record another macro. Okay. This time assign macro 3 and I'll assign this as August 27. This will write index and X match. Okay. All right. Because in the last time the formula was definitely correct, but I did not include this particular region and also this as well. So what I'm going to do is I'll write the formula again. Is equals to index. Select till the bottom, then X match. Select the lookup value. Go for the list of cities. Okay. First is a lookup value and then go for this array where you want the lookup value to be searched for, and then you click on exact match. Okay, now X match once again. This time our lookup value will be the year 2022, and then our lookup array is a list of years. Okay, select that, exact match, close bracket once again, hit enter. All right, there we go. Now I'll click on stop recording and I'll click on the edge of this button, assign macro. Where do I want the formula to be run? File 160, and this time it will be August 27. This is macro third, right? Click on OK and delete this. See, it did generate the formula instantly. Now we'll see the magic right now. Okay, let's see that I'll add Tokyo. Okay, and add some values. No, I say 300,000. Right, so now you will see the magic. Okay, how powerful this formula is. Hmm. Okay, seems okay to me. All right, now I'll just type Tokyo and you will see the magic. See, just by changing, the name of the city, right? You automatically see the result getting populated. And so that's the power of this formula. Now let's say for 2020, they automatically, it's dynamic. So you can do that for entire data set. you know so when you have thousands of rows, as I explained some time back, that you have thousands of rows, okay, and you have, let's say, 10 columns. All right, so each and every time you're not going to manually keep searching for that. You just have to write a formula once, just change the value accordingly, and for which you want change the lookup value, and you'll get the result for that lookup value instantly. So that's how powerful this formula is, and we had generated that formula with the help of a macro. So isn't this interesting, right? So you can also try this out for yourself, and I'm pretty sure that you can impress your managers, and even during interviews, this should be helpful if you're applying for the position of a data analyst. All right. So I really appreciate your time in watching the entire video, and thank you for your patience, and have a lovely day ahead.